Haven't done a video in a while. Getting ready to come into winter. Well, actually, we're in the middle of winter at the end of December now. Haven't really done much on the trailer because it's just the weather's been crappy. So I'm going to do this little video on replacing a braided wire that's on one of my wife's bronze statues. So I got some replacement wire. Let me show you how to make this wire here so I can replace it. All right, so first what we did is we got some 18 gauge bronze wire. It's tarnish proof. It's newer wire. It's not like the old wire that's original to the statue, but it's enough. So what I need to do is first, you need a couple things. You need something to clamp the wire to. The second thing you need is one of these. This is a safety wire wrench. I'll show you how it works. It's a pretty cool tool, but it allows you to spin the wire like a safety wire to make that braided cable that's going to go on the bow of that statue. So the first thing we want to do tighten it in there. I only need about to take out to about maybe 10 feet. Then go ahead and cut it. Take the second piece, add it to the end, and then clamp it so it's only about maybe a ½ inch, enough to hold it. Pull out a second piece, same length. Bring it back. So now you got two pieces. Take your safety wire wrench, open it up, and then clamp both ends, and then make sure your safety wire wrench is locked closed. Bring the wire all the way back. Actually open it back up and make sure your wire, both of them are at the same length, nice and even. Tighten them up. Lock them in. Then what you do is you lay the wrench in your hand and you pull on the handle. Now we're going to go ahead and twist this. And you want to keep doing it until you get your wire at the same consistency as the wire that you want to replace, which was pretty tight. As you can see, that's pretty nice right there. I might need to go just a little bit more. As you tighten and twist, the wire wants to pull in, and it wants to unravel, but not a lot, because the wire pretty much holds itself. I'm going to go a little bit more. I think that looks good. Now, I have to keep this from raveling up on me, which you try to do. Just go ahead and cut it, and it'll unravel a little. Cut this in. And now you have a nice replacement wire that will replace the wire on that statue. And I got to put a loop in each end, measure, make sure I got the right length, and poof, you have a nice replacement wire. Now it's brand new. I'm going to try to hunt some old bronze wire to kind of keep the old patina, but this will at least give me the same the ability to change that wire, because it's just not any good with it broken like that. There we go, new wire. Tied in at the end, goes down to the bottom, and the statue's booty. Not too bad. All right, so there's the old wire, and here's the new. Same gauge. You can definitely see a difference in the tarnishing, but this is original. God knows, I don't know how many. I think this, I don't know when this statue was made, but that's the difference. Looks like we got it braided to the right amount of turns, so it looks pretty good. Subscribe. Let me know what you think. See ya.